How to secure your home network, John's journey. Are you excited about your smart home but worried about security? You're not alone. Let's follow John's journey to secure his home network. John was thrilled with his new smart home. Lights, thermostat, security system all controlled from his phone. It felt like living in the future. But then, a nagging thought crept in: was it all secure? Could someone hack his system and access his cameras, or worse? He realized his family's privacy and safety were at stake. John knew he had to take action and secure his home network. John started with the basics: passwords. He knew the default passwords on his devices were a huge risk. He changed every single one. From the router to the smart bulbs, everything got a new, strong password. He made sure to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. P at SSWORD 123 is much better than password. John also enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. This added an extra layer of security, requiring a code from his phone in addition to his password. Next, John tackled firmware updates. He learned that outdated firmware could have vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. He checked for updates on all his smart home devices, the router, smart TV, security cameras, and even the smart fridge. He also disabled any unnecessary features and services. Why leave a door open if you don't need it? By minimizing the attack surface, John made it harder for hackers to find a way in. John knew his router's firewall was his first line of defense against unauthorized access. He made sure the firewall was enabled and properly configured. This acted like a gatekeeper, blocking suspicious traffic from entering his network. He researched the best firewall settings for his router model and adjusted them accordingly. A good firewall is essential for preventing hackers from accessing your network and devices. John understood that malware could infect his devices and compromise his network. He installed reputable antivirus software on all his computers, tablets, and smartphones. He enabled real-time scanning to detect and block threats immediately. John also set up automatic updates to ensure his antivirus software was always up to date with the latest threat definitions. Remembering all those strong, unique passwords was a challenge. John decided to use a password manager. A password manager securely stores all his passwords in one place, eliminating the need to remember them all. He chose a reputable password manager with strong encryption and enabled two-factor authentication for added security. John also used the password manager to generate new, strong passwords for any accounts that still had weak ones. He even enabled automatic password updates, so the password manager would automatically change his passwords on a regular basis. John had transformed his home network into a secure environment. He felt confident that his family and devices were protected from online threats. Securing his network wasn't just about protecting his gadgets, it was about safeguarding his family's privacy and safety. In today's digital age, proactive security measures are essential for every homeowner. John now has peace of mind knowing that his family is safe from online dangers. A secure network is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity for a safe and happy home. Ready to take control of your home network security? Start by changing your default passwords and enabling two-factor authentication today. Download a password manager and begin creating strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your family and your smart home now. Click the links in the description below for recommended password managers and resources to help you secure your network. Share this video with your friends and family to help them protect their homes too.